If you find yourself banned from Tidal and believe it to be unjust, you can appeal the decision by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the appeal process effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant details regarding your ban, including any emails or notifications from Tidal. Note the date of the ban and any specific reasons provided. Step 2. Review Tidal's terms of service. Familiarize yourself with Tidal's terms of service and community guidelines. Understanding these rules can help you frame your appeal more effectively. Step 3. Compose your appeal. Write a clear and concise appeal letter. Start by stating your account information, followed by a brief explanation of why you believe the ban is unjust. Be respectful and factual in your tone. Step 4. Submit your appeal. Send your appeal through the appropriate channel. This may be via Tidal's customer support email or a dedicated appeal form on their website. Ensure you include all necessary information and documentation. Step 5. Follow up. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame, consider following up on your appeal. Be polite and inquire about the status of your request. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal your ban on Tidal. Good luck, and hopefully you will regain access to your account soon.